and comment. If you have a suggestion, write to us using the email provided below. Follow us on our social media. Do you want to lead your document, your text using Microsoft Word 2016? Do you know how to do it? This is what I'm just going to show you in simple steps. What do? You just check whether in your quick access toolbar there is icon which is called speak. Then if there is not here, we do not have it. You just click on this icon. Then you are given a list of traces. You choose to click on more commands. If you click on more commands, you are given popular commands which are most likely to be used. Then you will select all commands so that you get the commands which are used in Microsoft Word. Then you scroll down until you get the icon speak. When you scroll down, you reach the icon speak. Here we go. This is the one. Then you come here and click add. Then after clicking add, you click OK. Is our icon on our quick access toolbar? Yes, here it is. Then how to use this icon so that it can read your document? You just select the text you want to read. Suppose that I need this paragraph. I will select it and then click on speak.
According to the statements above, a curriculum constitutes a formal arrangement for the pursuit of learning. The original meaning of curriculum was extended entirely from a bona fide race course to a comprehensive...
You hear that it starts reading. If you want to stop it to read, you just click on the icon again. Then if you click on the icon again to stop reading. So this is how you use it, this icon speak, to read your text in your document. So if you don't want to miss the tricks and tips of Microsoft Word 2016, I need you that you subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share so that others can see these beautiful tutorials you have watched. Thank you to have watched this video.